Welcome to our Excel trainings. We can use the conditional formatting feature to paint the rows that say total in a list we have in Microsoft Excel. To do this, first select the table we want to paint except for the title. For example, let's select wide down. After selecting this table, we come to Conditional Formatting. From here, we come to the New Rule. In the New Rule window, we click on the Formula box from the Formula section here. After clicking on the formula box here, we write equals and put the $sign. And in the first column B, where the total expression is, we start from B2, as B2 equals double quotes total and close the double quotes again. After doing this, we press the Format button and start from here. If you want, when you come to the Fill color and select Fill, then say OK and OK again, the rows that say total in your table will be colored. Then, for example, let's duplicate the list as follows. I copied this and pasted it below. Now to get the total here again, I select like this, press the Alt-Shift= keys, and get the total in English Excel. Let's come to the total text here. When you type total here and press enter, the line is painted. This way you can use Excel's conditional formatting features.